Hello, traders and investors. This is PennyStockRain.com. That's PennyStockRain.com. Today we will be discussing QSGIQ. It's had an extremely nice run. As you could tell, it channeled here for a little bit and then broke out. And what we're going to do is discuss our points of resistance areas and our support areas. As you can tell, this is a blue sky breakout, so we're right about here. If it does retrace at all, it should hit around this particular area because that is support. Notice how it tried to buck above that, then came back down, tried to buck above it again, and for the third time it finally broke out, and that's why we had that 43% increase on the day right there. Parabolic SAR, I'm not sure exactly what's going on with the company itself. I do know it has that Q at the end, so you know, always be aware of those extra symbols on the stocks. Um, we have volume. We have great volume right here, and I'm not sure if they had some news out or not, but watch your volume right here because that is a very key sign. And as you can tell, first one, when you have a breakout, you tend to have this type of volume. It's kind of like Dennis Gartman's theory, buy high, sell higher. And, a lot of speculation might be coming into the stock. I have no clue. I haven't read the news. But I do like the volume. Price action always follows volume. Also, these little purple dots, we've talked about this before, that is our parabolic SAR. They are in an uptrend on the daily chart. And if you notice too that, when they're above the candle, they do tend to go down. Notice how they first start off and it goes down a little bit and dips, but then it just it reversed its trend and started trending back up. So that's one of the reasons why that particular indicator. I love that particular indicator. Every chartist has their own favorite indicator. That's mine. There's a few others that go along with that that can actually tell you when these parabolic SARs change, and that'll come later in another educational video that I'm going to do later on. A few other things that I want to point out is the relative strength index or RSI. It is trending a little bit. It's about to touch 90 on the relative strength index, so I would expect some type of pullback. But how big, how soon, I have no idea, and that doesn't always mean that it'll happen. But this is something that I'd be very cautious of, and this is why I want to look at support levels. Is this a new support level right here where it retested and retraced? We will soon see. But we do note that this was a resistance level today on breakout volume on a breakout chart. Once it broke that particular level right here, it went straight up. So inevitably, from a chartist perspective, that should be a support line right there, or that could be a support line. This support line has been tested. We know because it used to be resistance, and charting 101, as my mentor tells me, prior resistance becomes support, and prior support becomes resistance. So that's what we look at. We also look at this too. Our other levels of support. This right here, support line right there. And I love this channel. The longer the base, the better the case. Again, I am PennyStockRain.com, reminding you to do your own research and due diligence. Please stop by and sign up today. Thank you, and have a great evening, everybody.